The question would be what happens to Stan, because now the hotel is his currently legally, and now khona izinto zasebusuku amafastela ayaphuka and la mafastela vele bewangaphukanga from the beginning. Does this mean that he has to let go of everything because of the ghost in the house? Or because now, if you remember correctly, he has not signed the deal of purchase, so which means usenkingeni uGuy. Now my question is, does he have to leave without selling the hotel? Then if he leaves, what happens to the 10 million that he gave to Jackson? How does he regain the money? Or is he just going to leave like that and never come back, and Jackson gets to go away with 10 million? Guys, ngeke mhlawumbe badlala ngathi la angeke 10 million. How does he then pay that 10 million back wherever he borrowed it from? Because he said that the 10 million was not his. He had to borrow it from somewhere. So now Jackson has to bring it back. Namang interest. How does he then go to pay back that money if he has to leave the establishment now because uNcuka usekamngenele? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Dimadekwana sanbonan abshin modwen minjani hipukila hingungwina. So namuhla kana unakwahina was Smoke and Mirrors hikumakurashula tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that there was a dinner date that happened between Tim and Tiny. Oh, it rhymes so well. Tim and Tiny, and then the problem was that imbali uthi uTiny yena ufuna imbali shows that you love me, there's affection, there's khona lento lehambayo, so you must actually get me imbali, then uprove uthando lwakho kumina. So Tim, being creative as he is, he went and get funeral flowers. Abuya nazo azikhulumela, guys, if umuntu wesifazane vumela indoda ikushayashaye please. Abuya nalezo mbali zasemngcwabeni amshayashaya uTiny wavuma, and uTiny confidently got ivase wabeka ngci endlini kabani. Hayi cha, bengithi mina nangabe umuntu wesifazane abuvuma nangabe indoda ekushayashaya njengoTiny uzoba happy. So uTiny was happy because she also received a perfume, and it looks like uTim uyahlanya ngayo. Now I just wonder, is it that uTim uyahlanya ngayo or uTim ufuna iClothville? And then what happens after iClothville? Uzoba sekanesidina. The way Lolthando is burning, because now remember they got their second or third warning from uMandla, and then they were told to keep their hands to themselves, but bayahluleka. 2 minutes babambana, 2 minutes baxabulana, 2 minutes nje bandawonye. Umsebenzi awusaphushwa la, abantu bayabonana, bayabhekana, bayenza zonke lezi zinto. And I'm just thinking ukuthi yini if uTiny uletha iClothville once shuthi kuyaphela or kwenzakala, because the way uthando loluvutha ngakhona ayishem asazi, kodwa sinenkinga enkulu guys. Inkinga enkulu Mr. Mayor saw that it was anniversary, and then he thought he should buy something nice for his wife, of which in that he decided that he was going to send uPA wakhe ukuthi amtholele something that is nice, that is aesthetically pleasing to the wife. Enhle nje wahamba ke ugele wahamba wothenga something, that is the PA abuya ngayinikeza Mr. Mayor gives to the wife. Now the wife now speaks to Rosemary, tells Rosemary about everything. Uya akawachitha amabhinsi from indaba yokuthi la ehotela kuthengiswa ngomzimba, la ehotela izinto zihamba njani. And I'm sitting here, I'm thinking Rosemary probably is here to get the scoop and probably expose Jackson no matter. How do we even know? But yeah, hayi shem uPetunia usumlomo umlomo umanzi, she's spilling all the beans. And then it so happens that uPA comes through to the house azoleta amafile. uPetunia then realizes uPA wathi kena ngiyabona ukuthi uqokile lento le engikuthengele yona. Mr. Mayor, he was very busy. He then tasked me to go and get something, and then I bought this. So ngiyajabula ukuthi wena nawe uyithandile naye sewiqokile. Qhuma intuthu. That did not sit well with uPetunia. kanjani ngithengele igift mase kwenze njani. So she then goes back to uRosemary. uRosemary, I'm not sure if she's gonna give a good advice, because uRosemary wathi kuyena excuse me, wathi uRosemary nje lento le yokuthi kena indoda izothengelwa ama-gift ngomunye umfazi for umfazi wayo, kusho ukuthi khona into ehambayo lapho. Kumele lento le uyifakele izibuko, ungalali phansi ngayo. And I'm just thinking ukuthi you knew uRosemary for 2 seconds, now sewumxoxela yonke into yempilo yakho ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yakho. This will not end well. On the other hand ke uPetunia ngathi mina I smell pregnancy, guys, or is it just me? I smell pregnancy. 1 2 3 udizzy, 1 2 3 ufuna unjanjani, 1 2 3 uphuza amapilisi. Is she not pregnant and doesn't know that she's pregnant? And the intent, the how dizzy she becomes, it's so intense. Or mhlambe futhi uluze umunye umntwana wenkosi yami angamluzi, because if she does, that's gonna break her. But to me, the signs are saying umithi ugele, because now nomngani wakhe Mafika umbuzile if she does not want to go and see udokotela, and she says no, she's fine, it's just that uba dizzy kancane. Okay, anyway, uMartha is starting to question the ability for uNcuka ukuthi asebenze, because now uzwa ubuhlungu and usasemkhukhwini. As the boyfriend, Jackson kanti uNcuka ukuphi, ngicela umfonele uNcuka akatholakali. uNcuka has taken the child and he's a gone GP, he's a gone guy, akatholakali, can't tholakali. Bathe bayafona, ifone iyakhala ku voicemail apho, ayikho into ayiphendulayo, he's not even coming through. So uMartha is like ngathi ngizozwa ubuhlungu just for ukuthi uNcuka must enjoy umntanami, and that's it. Uyangabaza amandla. But I'm just one thing I appreciated of this relationship ukuthi nje uJackson stood by the girlfriend over and over again ukuthi I know lo muntu ananoma bayenza lelo dini la khona, Jackson was there all throughout and saying ukuthi yabona lo unkosikazi wami and ngizomake sure umuntu wami, she's the only person that I have, ngiyacela Ncuka please just make sure ukuthi angashoni lo muntu lo. Ncuka athi sekaqala yathandaza lapho ubiza uNkulunkulu athi nongalibizi lelo gama lana sibhizi la senza ubuloyi senza ubuthakathi. So but then he actually stood by her and still stand by her, which is an amazing thing. If nanoma bahlangene ngobuthakathi, uStan ke uhlangabezane ne potential buyer, and then he dished out the documentation that they need to sign and bring back. So which means that the sale is almost in fact it is on the advanced stage, because what is left of them is just to go through the papers and sign. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.